Our second morning at our treehouse started with a visit to Proyecto Asís, a wildlife rescue center. We booked it through our treehouse hotel for $90 for both of us. Here, animals arrive injured, orphaned, or rescued from illegal captivity. From playful monkeys to colorful tropical birds, every resident has a story of survival. There are two parts to this tour. First, we explored the center, met all the animals, and learned their stories, how they got there, how long they've been at the refuge, and whether they will ever be released. Then we got hands-on in the second part, preparing meals tailored to each animal's dietary needs. Proyecto Asís is more than a refuge, it's a living classroom for conservation, showing how humans can make a real difference for Costa Rica's incredible wildlife. The hat is to protect from the rain, not from the sun. Gracias. Leche?
Crema.
Okay, crema, yeah. Okay, thank you. And this is the weather right now. The first part of the tour is over. It was about 2 hours and we are taking a break. And now comes the second part where we will be preparing foods for the monkeys.
Can you come this size? The animals eat twice per day, in the morning, in the afternoon. So we're gonna be making now food for AM. That means the morning food. Look at all what they eat in the morning. Banana, corn, chayote, mango, orange. So we're gonna be doing AM. Any menu of these ones and any container of this is per cage. So that's why this one, Toño, needs 400 grams of banana. This guy Pisote needs only 200 grams. Okay, that's why we're gonna be using this. Okay? Now what's next? You already put banana. What's next?
Corn.
Muy bien. Okay. Grab an orange.
Why is it colored like that?
Because in Costa Rica we grow orange but they're green. I need all of this food and 4 monkeys. Okay?
But don't you push them in the
Let me just make this one smaller.
We made these food-based enrichment toys to feed the animals while keeping them engaged and active. The toys encourage animals to work for their meals by solving puzzles and exploring for their treats. Now I'm going to feed the monkeys and the pigs.
No, we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna push 1 and 2. 2 monkeys, 2 toys. Now, I'm gonna open the door and we're gonna watch this monkey. Bueno, 1, 2, 3. Female go first. Now the alpha. Stay here. And you give me 1 by 1 because, let me show you. If I put 2 toys, the alpha will get 2. So I get 1. Look at this, it's 4 monkeys. But nobody moved, nobody touched food until Alpha grabbed his. You see these guys? I got the second one. Can you give me another one? Let's see who's the second in charge, okay? Look at this. They know he's the second. He's that fluffy guy. So can I get one more? Let me show you. You know he's last. He knows he has to wait. So even if I put slowly, he knows he has to wait until last. Now is his turn. He's the youngest in the cage, so he has to wait now.
It's like they're almost barking.
And they're clicking with the teeth. Okay, be nice.
We spent half a day at Proyecto Asís and had an amazing time. We learned so much about the animals and would love to visit again someday.